Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Bitcoin skyrockets past $100,000, spotlighting the top 20 corporate holders of the cryptocurrency. NVIDIA announces a new AI center in Vietnam as part of its Southeast Asia expansion strategy. Waymo gears up to extend its services to Miami with support from Uber-backed Move. Rubrik experiences a surge after raising guidance following robust Q3 results, while Verizon declares a $0.6775 dividend payout. Wells Fargo sets an ambitious target for the S&P 500 at 7,007 by 2025, and OPEC Plus reportedly delays oil production hikes for 3 months. Samsara beats expectations with non-GAAP EPS of 70 cents and revenue hitting $322 million, surpassing estimates by $11.4 million. Speculation rises on which U.S. company will first achieve a $4 trillion market cap milestone. Stay tuned after this short ad break to dive deeper into these stories. Bitcoin has surged past $100,000, reaching $103,600. Since the November 5th presidential election, its value has increased by over 50%. Companies with significant Bitcoin holdings include Tesla and MicroStrategy. Investors can also consider Bitcoin-backed exchange-traded funds like Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and ARK Next Generation Internet ETF.
NVIDIA, a company on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, plans to open an AI research and development center in Vietnam. They are collaborating with the Vietnamese government to create this facility focused on advancing AI technology.
Alphabet's autonomous vehicle unit, Waymo, is expanding to Miami in partnership with Move. After initially collaborating in Phoenix, Move will oversee fleet operations while Waymo focuses on driver validation. Move is a mobility financial technology company associated with Uber and operates globally. Following this news, Uber and Lyft shares dropped by 5%.
Rubrik shares increased by 16% after the company raised its fiscal 2025 guidance, reporting strong third-quarter results. Revenue is now expected to be between $860 million and $862 million, exceeding analyst predictions. The cybersecurity firm also improved its loss forecast and announced it has surpassed $1 billion in subscription annual recurring revenue.
Verizon has announced a quarterly dividend of 67.75 cents per share, keeping its previous rate, with a forward yield of 6.34%. The payment is scheduled for February 3rd for shareholders recorded by January 10th. Additionally, U.S. senators will discuss China's Salt Typhoon hack in a confidential meeting.
Wells Fargo Securities forecasts that the S&P 500 will surpass 7,000 in 2025. This is attributed to corporate earnings growth and a robust U.S. economy during the Trump administration. Analyst Christopher Harvey anticipates positive conditions for stocks as the Federal Reserve lowers rates. The index has increased by 27% this year.
OPEC and its allies have tentatively agreed to delay their planned oil production increase for January. Ministers are meeting online today to finalize the details, with ongoing discussions about the duration of this postponement, according to Bloomberg.
Samsara's third-quarter earnings per share were 7 cents, beating expectations by 3 cents. Revenue hit $322 million, marking a 35.6% increase from the previous year and surpassing forecasts by $11.44 million. Despite these results, shares dropped 14.1%. For the fourth quarter, the company expects revenue between $334 million and $336 million with an operating margin of 9%.
In a recent survey by Wall Street Breakfast, NVIDIA was the top concern for 63.8% of the 1,366 respondents. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Goodbye. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.